Once you go for a party, definitely you like to enjoy. What do they do abroad? If there are 5 people, they take turns. That particular day, that one person will not drink, others will enjoy. They take turns. Here nobody like to take turns. Everybody wants to enjoy. Abroad also it happens. Everybody wants to enjoy. Then what do? Park your car there, take a cab and go home. And next day you come and collect it. Okay, transport is very costly in Goa as it is said. But I think when Goa Miles was there, people were reasonably happy. It was cheap for the people. I have to see the interest of the people of Goa. So this is one safety aspect which is going to be there. I will also liaison, I am telling my transport department to liaison with the bars and restaurants where maximum footfall is there, people go. Somebody who is drunk, it is going to be also their responsibility. Don't send him driving in his own car, put him in a taxi and send him. This is a new norm in Goa for the safety of people, what we have to introduce. And on this Road Safety Week, I want to implement this.
Movinan statement केला न्हू ते आमी बार रेस्टॉरंट ओनर्स एसोसिएशन आहा न्हू ते एक्सेप्ट करिनात कित्याक आमचे हितून आतां मोविनान म्हटल्यार ते एक भाग की लोक कोण पियेतात तेंचे एक्सिडंट जातात ते वेगळे भाग पूण एक्सिडंटाचें कारण पिवपाचें तेजेर ना एक्सिडंटाचें कारण खूब आसतात मल्टिपल फॅक्टर्स जातात पयले सुवातेर रोड सारके नात खड्डे पडले रोडाक थंय लोक गाडी घेवन ट्रीप जावन पडटात स्पीड ब्रेकराक पेंटींग ना इंडिकेटर्स ना लायट इंडिकेटर्स ना कितें सायडीचे रोडाचे बॉर्डर खंय आहा पळय तें तशे रोडाचे डिझायनींग बरोबर ना हे सगळे कारणांक लागून लायचे एक्सिडंट जाता आतां मोविनान म्हटलें की बारार कोण पियेतात ते रिस्पॉन्सिबल जावंक जाय की लोकांक पावोवपाक आमी बारवाले खुबशे रिस्पॉन्सिबल लोक आहात आमी कोणी तर टायर्ड जालें जाल्यार आमी वचून तांकां रिक्वेस्ट करता पळय पुरो जालें मातशें तूं घरा वच म्हणून आमी तें बंद करता दिवपाचें सोरो बंद करता आमी आनी ताका आमी सांगता तूं वच म्हणून घरा टायम जाल्लो आसा मातशें सुबेज जालो आसा मातशें कमी कर आनी वच म्हणटा तशें आमी बारवाले सगळे कंट्रोल करता आनी मॅनेज करता आमचे बिजनस पूण तो म्हणटा की आमी तांकां पावोवपाक जाय ते पॉसिबल ना कित्याक ते तेंचे कडेन ते टायमार तूं तर उलोवंक वयशी तर ते तुका आयकपीच ना ते तुका म्हणटले की आमी आमचे गाडयेन घेवन वता आमी तुमचे गाडयेन कित्याक वचूंक जाय आनी आयकचे आनी वयल्यान झगडीं जावंक शकता.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.